Welcome to the Tiwari Academy video lecture. This video lecture is for the mathematics class 11. In this class, we are going to study about the matrix solution, right, for the linear equation by Cramer's rule, right. Cramer's rule I will explain by taking the example only, right. I am not going to give by the theory part. So let's take the question. Find the solution of the given equation. What is given equation? 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z is equal to 13, 5x plus 2y plus 7z is equal to 20. For this we have to find the what called as a solution. Solution means we have to get the value of x, y and z. Right? If you get the value of x, y, z, that is the solution of this equation. So there are three equations. So let's write in the matrix form. So what will write? Write the above equations in matrix form. How will you write? As I told, write the coefficient of x, y, z only first. So coefficient of x is 3, y 4, z is 5. So 1 after 1, 1 after 1 you write it. So x line is 3, 2, 5. Next all are plus, so plus. Next 4, here no number is there, so consider 1. 4 minus 1 minus 2, 5, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, right. This is the one of the coefficient matrix, right. Now multiply this with the your x, y, z. Then this is equal to the your all the constant. Constant is how much? 18, 13, 20. This way you can write the equation in the matrix form. So one thing you should be clear. All the variables should be at one place and all the constants should be at the opposite, equality. Then only you can write. Otherwise if you write here, then check the sign. So best way, shift that and directly you write. So consider this is as the A, this equation as the X and this matrix as the D. So this one will become your X is equal to D. Or we can write X is equal to A minus 1D, whatever it may be, right. For that we are not going. So this is the A. We are taking this whole equation, this is as the A. So A will be where A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 2, 7, right. Now what you have to do, Cramer says that find the all the determinant, right. We have to find the 4 determinant. First one is called delta, second one is called delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. First one indicate delta, delta 1 is for the x. So what you have to do, for the x, replace the x numbers with this coefficient 18, 13, 20. So first I will find the delta value, right, for the determinant A. So determinant A is equal to delta A is equal to, this is a delta. So this one will be equal to, write in the delta form So what it will be? A 3, 4, 5, 2, minus 1, 8, 5, minus 2, 7. Right? Now find the determinant. 3 into 3. This one 3. So this one will be go away. This one will be go away. Left is this matrix only. Minus 1 into 7, 8 into 2. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. This side plus, this side will be minus. This side is plus. 8 into 2, 16. This minus is there. This is the formula minus. So 8 2 is 16. 16 minus into minus plus. This is the plus. Right, over. Now, second, minus sign. I told plus, minus, plus. So minus sign. 4. Now cofactor. So for the 4, this one, this row, this column and row will go. So 2, 7, 8, 5. 2, 7 ja 14. Minus 8, 5 ja 40. Right? Next is 5. For the 5, this is will be a plus. First plus, then minus, this plus. Automatic you write it. So this 5. So 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. So 2 2 ja plus. Right? So what you have to write? 5. It is 2 2 ja 4 minus 4. Right? 5. 1 into 5, 5. So minus. Automatic you write. 1 into 5, 5. 5 into plus into minus, minus. So it will be your 5. Now you write in the number. 3 into 17, 16 plus 16, 17. So it will be how much it will be? It will be a 9. Right? So plus 9. 14. Right, students? So write a value. A is 3, 4, 5, 2 minus 1. And as I told, you have to write the in place of x your coefficient, your constant. So constant terms are, how many are constant terms are there? For the constant terms, so as I told, write it. 18, 13, 20. So 4 minus 1 minus 2. 5, 8, 7. So this one will be equal to, determinant is 18 into 1 into 7 minus 7 plus 8 to ja 16, right? Minus 4 into, right? Minus 4 into 13 into 7. 13 into 7 is 91, right? And 8 into 2. So it will be a minus 160, right? Next is plus 5. Plus 5. So how much it will be? It will be, this one will go away. So left is 13 into 2 minus 26. Right? Minus 26. This minus 2 into 20, 1 into 20. So plus 20. So this one whole thing, if I do, I will get 18. 17 again, 76. It will be how much? It will be 9 plus minus, it is a we are getting in the negative, minus will be more, so it will be a plus 4 into 90 minus 60, it is a 70, 1 less is 69, right? Minus 26 is more, so it will become 5 minus, right? So it will be a into 6. If you do this whole thing, right, then you will get the answer. What you will get? 162 plus 276 minus 30, right? So this one will be equal to, how much it will be equal to? 408. Now go for the delta 2. Delta 2 is what? Same determinant, but in place of x 1832 you have to write y, right? What is x value? Here is 3, 2, 5. So 18, 13, 20. This one will be a 18, 13, 20. So it will be a 5, 8, 7. Right? This is different. Now multiply. This is equal to 3 into, right, 13 into 7, right? 13 into 7 is again 91, right? Minus 160 minus 18 into, this one will go, 2 7 ja 14 minus 8 5 ja 40. Right, again this one will go, 2 20 ja plus 5 into 20 ja 2 into 20 40 minus 13 5 ja 65. So this one will be equal to 3 into again 69 minus 18 into, right, 30, it will be a plus 26, right? More is minus, so it will be a minus 5. So how much it will be? 5 into 40, it will be gone, 40 means 25. So right, you got it. Check it. This one is a minus, right? Again we'll get how much you got. You got this is as a 136, right? So you got delta 2, right? Now we have to find the delta 3. How will you find the delta 3? Same 18, 13, 20 right in place of z. That will be a delta 3. So copy it. Copied. Write. Fast. Write down. Delta 3. 3, 2, 5, 4 minus 1 minus 2. 18. 26 minus 4 into, this one will go 40 minus 65 plus 18 into 4 plus 5. So this one will be equal to how much? It will be minus, no, it will be a plus, right? 3 into 6, right? This one will be a minus, it will become a plus, minus is more here, 4 into 25, right? Again this is plus 18 into, right? Check it. This is good. 2 2 ja 4. 5. So it will be equal to 9. So again you will get as your this one as 136. So again you got delta 3 also. What will get 1. So again you will got as a 136. Now we have to find the x according to Cramer's rule. What it says? So according to Cramer's rule, x is equal to delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 how much you got? You got as 408 by 136. So it will be a how much? It will go as a, so 408 by 136 it will go as a 3 times. 1 ja 3 ja. Y is equal to delta 2 by delta is equal to 136 by 136 is equal to 1 ja 1, and z is equal to delta 3 by delta is equal to 136 by 136 again. It will be a 1. So we got the value of x, y, z as 3, 1, 1 respectively. Right? I think you understood the Cramer's rule. Go for the some more example. At the time you will understand very easy. We will study the more example in the next time. Thank you for watching our